here at Console we've got a new edition of the Juki DU-1541 made in Japan. This sewing machine is semi-dry and has got a large capacity bobbin which assists you as you can sew for longer times without having to constantly refread the bobbin. We will now give you a short demonstration of how the machine sews. As you can see, we are sewing on multi-levels of leather, and it's thick fabric, and still the machine is sewing with ease. And also, the presser foot is lifted up very high so you can get multiple fabrics under here. The stitch length is also adjustable here, and it goes from 3mm all the way up to 9mm, which is excellent for heavy fabrics. Also, as you can see, sometimes people don't like the fast sewing ability. So this can all be adjusted over here on the motor side. Simply by pressing the minus button, you can adjust your sewing speed. We've now set it to 200, and you will see the difference. This feature helps a lot if you are new to sewing or you are sewing very finished fabrics that you need lots of minute details. This machine after purchase comes fully assembled and ready to sew right off the pallet. For any other questions, please message us here or call us or go on our website. Thank you very much.